Hi gamers! In this video, I will show you some of my experiment using the new hero, Silvanna. Silvanna is a fighter who deals magic damage with most of her attacks, including her basic attack. So I decided to try different items with her. First, the glowing wand. When the carrier uses a skill, this item will burn the target for 3 seconds. Now let's see. Technically, basic attack isn't a skill, so these kind of items don't work. Now, let's try to improve her basic attack with Holy Crystal and Blood Wings. The damage isn't so great. So let's try having 6 Blood Wings. The damage still isn't great. How about 6 Blade of Despair? Now, the damage has significantly improved. Now, let's try the Berserker's Fury. Well, this is way better. Now, let's try the Necklace of Durance. This item reduces the regen effect with skill damage. So, it won't work. Now let's try the physical attack version of it. So there is a broken heart, which means it totally works. Now let's check her lifesteal. Which item can work with her? First, let's try the concentrated energy. So this green number indicates that she regenerates her HP every time she uses her basic attack, which shows that this item really works with her. Now, let's try all the physical attacks lifesteal items. So none of these items work with her. How about the spell vamp from Bloodlust Axe? This item doesn't work too. So, the concentrated energy gives her lifesteal from her basic attack to her skills. Well, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!
For the people never back down. Legendary. Legendary. My faith is right. Beast of demons, you are doomed to perish. Legendary. I will defend the Monian Empire to the death. Legendary.
Well, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!